In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create nested tables. By creating a nested table is simply inserting a table inside another table. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so as you can see, I have this table, but I wish to go ahead and insert a table on one side of this table. To do this is pretty simple. For instance, I want to insert a table here. So go ahead and just click inside this table and click where you want to insert it. However, if you can't select the location, then go ahead and press Shift and Enter key, and then you can see each time you press Enter key while holding down Shift, the cursor will move down, as you can see here. So I'll wish to insert it here. Now to insert it, go ahead and click on Insert, and then go to Table, and here choose the number of rows and columns that you wish to add. So I'll wish to go ahead and add this table. Once you are done, now go ahead and enter the text on the table as you wish. So that's how you can insert a table inside a table in Microsoft Word tables. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.